Here we go. All right, back unboxing Merc 250 Pro XS. Somebody's horns blaring, and that, you know who that is? That's the postal service people working hard, and you just put the alarm on so no one steals anything. But here we go. Merc 250 4-stroke, brand new unboxing. Here we go. Gotta have one of these. You ready? Here we go. There it is, the 250 Pro XS Mercury. Return pin to hole. Oh. You're the guy that said it.
Where are we at with the process?
It's hung by a pen. I like to say one step closer.
What boat is going on?
It's going on a Ranger. You want the model number and everything? You want to see how cool this boat is? 520C. Z 520C.
What did you have on before?
250 Pro XS 2-stroke. We are taking the old rigging tube off. Have to put a new one on when you buy a new Mercury. Just an FYI to all who's buying the new 4-stroke that you get to get a new rigging tube when you do this, because Mercury hates you. They want you to buy more.
Tell everyone at home what you're doing.
I'm working with a sore back. Is that okay? So if I'm grunting it or squealing in between this thing, that's the reason why. I'm taking off battery cable from the old motor because Mercury wants you to use the newly supplied machine. That's what we're doing. That's where all my happiness goes, right there. Happy day, Jordan.
What are you doing right now?
I'm rigging. Didn't you learn that yet?
I know what we're doing. I know every step of what we're doing. I've done this.
How many times?
This filming before. But for the people at home.
See, you don't say that.
Well, that's what it is. I'm never asking a question.
Yeah, I think you do ask questions about yourself once in a while. You just want to know, because you're kind of that kind of guy. You like to know.
I do like to know.
You're an informed kind of fellow.
For the people at home.
Yes.
What are we doing now?
Dealing with the rigging tube. We're going to try to get this to be long enough to go all the way back here. So I'm going to have to find some more of that in here. I'm trying to find the nest. When I say the nest, the big ball for the harness. Because I know I got more than what. Just trying to see if it's in here or where the hell it is.
Where's that plug have to end up at?
There.
Are you hooking up now?
Oh, can power. Oh, yeah, we're gonna make it. We'll make it, I think. I'm hoping. Gotta come down through here.
Look right down the lens and say, I love Mercury.
No.
What are you hooking up now?
Oh, my donkey.
Try again.
My rigging tube.
Try
My grommet. My rigging grommet.
Is that one better than Suzuki's?
Yeah. Yeah.
Look down the barrel and say, I love Mercury.
No.
What are you hooking up now?
We are hooking up some throttle and shift cables.
What are we hooking up again?
Throttle and shift cables.
There we go. Where are we at?
Team Marine.
What step are we on? I know where we're at. Everyone at home.
We are going to put this side cover on and then hook the steering up, make it go vroom.
Show me.
This guy right here.
Okay.
So this goes on here. This, and then this pin down in here like this. Kind of a guide pin for putting this back on too. We're putting steering on. Is that cool? See, here it is, it's done. See how quick that went?
Yep.
Boom, boom, boom.
What are you doing?
Getting hard. Oh, I can't be on again. Yeah, I forgot you were filming again. Sorry. I always forget that you're filming. I'm hooking my batteries up because you said you want to hear this thing go vroom. That's what I'm doing. I'm hooking the batteries up. Gotta get my power back. Get my power back! Putting my bolt in my lower abdomen. I got this f***ing bracket here. What? I'm not supposed to say that, am I?
No.
Oh, me. Neil's gonna move this for us. We're gonna fire it up.
Where are your thoughts?
It's running. Runs like a Merc. Kind of sounds like a tractor.
What are you looking at?
Making sure everything's where it needs to be, clipped tight before I put the big cowling on.
What's your opinion on these motors?
I like them. I don't know if there's really anything wrong with them. I mean, they're very popular with everybody, you know, but I don't, this bothers me, but I don't like the way they look, but that's just my opinion. There's your unboxing of your new Merc 250 Pro XS 4-stroke.